Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us, and as we all know that since yesterday gold is under pressure right after the testimony of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Right now gold is standing at 1915, gold made a low of 1910, and right now gold is trying to recover, but we can clearly see on the chart that the chart is under the dominance of sellers right now. You can see here dollar yields rise after Powell comments. The US dollar and treasury yields climb on Thursday as Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell suggested more US interest rate hikes may be needed to curb inflation, as a result of which we saw upside on the chart of DXY. Yesterday when we discussed about DXY, it was struggling around the previous low of 102, but after that DXY showed extra good amount of recovery, and right now DXY really looks bullish. So right now the next important level of DXY is 102.80. This is the next important level of DXY, and as DXY is under the dominance of buyers right now, fundamentals are pushing DXY towards the upside. There's a high chance that DXY will break the level of 102.80. If it does that, then obviously at one point DXY will come for some retracement, and there's a high chance that when DXY will come for retracement, it will be a start of a new trend reversal. Means there will be a trend reversal like this if DXY breaks 102.80. But due to some reasons, if DXY fails to break 102.80 right now, then we can expect a sideways market as of now. So the next high of DXY will be very important. And if we look at the economic calendar, just look at the events, my dear friends. So we have a long list of events. Okay, I went crazy when I saw this in the morning. Okay, so again, you need to be careful in the US session because market will be crazy again. Market will be volatile. So please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, stay away from the market. Try to close down all your US dollar position. Observe the market, gain some experience, but do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold here. So in the morning only, I saw that gold is taking support around 1910 level. Okay, and as I said earlier that due to some personal reasons I could not upload the video, but in the pro trader group I uploaded. Okay. Then market is taking support and we have a good chance of a buy position. So 1910 to 1902 is the support zone on the chart of gold. If you want to know why, then we need to go to a higher time frame to understand that. Because on naked chart we can clearly see that we do not have any immediate support. Clearly we have no immediate support. We do not see any strong price rejection. As a result, we are using Fibonacci here. So when I'm drawing Fibonacci from this particular level here, the low of 1805, I can see that gold has taken support around 1910. Means we have Fibonacci 61.8% around this area if we are considering Fibo from this level. And if you're considering Fibo from the last low of 17, then also we can see that around 1902 we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So when we are considering both these significant lows, we can see that market has a strong presence of buyers around 1910 to 1902. That's why I have marked this as a green zone here. So 1910 to 1902 is a strong support on the chart right now, and that's why market is going up. If you already have a buy position, if you already have taken a buy position, you can be on the trade. In this market condition also, there is a chance that market will be heading towards the level of 1920. Okay, because around 1920 to 1923 we have the next resistance, as the structure of the market is not very positive. So as a result, there's a good chance that sellers will try to dominate the market. So when we are considering Fibo here, you can see here around 1920 to 1923 we have a minor resistance, not a very strong one. We don't have any strong sellers around this area, but still in this present condition, there's a good chance that the gold will face some trouble around this area. So if gold shows price rejection from above around 1920, 1922, if you see the price is struggling around this area, you can look for a sell position. And in case by the European session market shows good amount of volatility, then obviously avoid any position around this area and look for sell opportunity around 1932. So we have two sell opportunities on the chart of gold for the day before news. Okay, 1920, 1923 and 1932. So if market goes up and reverses according to expectations, we can look for a sell around these two areas. And by the European session, if you see that gold is again heading lower, gold is inside the support here, don't do anything. Do not take any buy position. Do not take any sell position. Let the market reverse. See, there may be some support around this area. There may be some strong sellers present around this area. But right now, the fundamentals are pushing gold towards the downside. And as we all know, that whenever fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail. So as a result, 1910 to 1902 is a no trading zone for you right now, because already market has bounced once and we can see that the present bounce is not very bullish, which signifies that market is trying to go up, but the buyers do not have much strength. Try to understand the market emotion here. So by the European session, if you see that gold is inside 1910, 1902 again, don't do anything. If you see that market is again bouncing, then you can consider a buy. Otherwise, if you see that market is sideways, no proper sign, then try to avoid any position below, not below, inside 1910 to 1902. And as I said earlier, that we do not have any immediate support. So if gold breaks 1900 level, and if the selling pressure is good enough, then you can expect a good amount of selling, and you can keep your targets around 1987, 1986 level also, because this will be your TP1. Okay, if gold breaks 1900 level. And swing traders, you can keep your target around 1960 as well. So the green box here, the green box is very, very significant, because the green box will decide, okay, in which direction the market will move. Fundamentally, market is not very positive. As a result, technicals may not work. And moreover, we have a news coming up, so be careful. Be careful with your US dollar position, not only gold, all the dollar positions, because market may be volatile. Your stop losses may not work, so be extra careful. Okay, my dear friends, world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct these workshops in both Hindi and English language. Separate classes are conducted for Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop. Yes, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see here, these are the topics that you'll be learning in 3 days. In 1 month support, I also conduct extra 4 classes. So total 7 classes, and these are the topics for the weekly classes. Everything is mentioned on the website, but I would like to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners and new traders. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, then only you should sign up. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there is also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. You can see here 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. After the 3 days class, you will receive all these benefits. And the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15 for everything, and rupees 1000 for Indians. The dates are 5th, 6th and 7th of July for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8th, 9th and 10th. Separate dates, and I record each and every session so that even if you miss, you don't miss anything. And if you're looking for longer relationship, if you're looking for some personal classes, then you can also sign up for annual membership, semi-annual membership, okay, available at very affordable cost. If you're frustrated with your trading right now, if you're looking to scale up your game, then definitely you should join the Pro Trader program, or you can definitely check out the Pro Trader program and you won't be disappointed. Okay, so the link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. Bye bye. Take care.